Good day, I'm Tamara McHale, and this is your JIS News for Friday, September 2. Over 12,000 teachers have been trained to deliver lessons from the new National Standards curriculum across 5 grades starting this academic year. The revised curriculum, which places emphasis on project-based and problem-solving learning, is being rolled out in grades 1, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Educators received training in July and early August on strategies for implementing the new curriculum.
Several other training programs are being conducted in the preparation of our teachers in several areas, including literacy, numeracy, technical and vocational education, early childhood, special education, health and family life education, cross-cutting themes such as behavior modification as well as science.
Meanwhile, equipment and material are being bought and distributed to 50 schools in which the Alternative Pathway for Secondary Level Education program will be implemented this year. And the Career Advancement Program CAP has been expanded as the flagship program for the creation of an additional 2 years experience at the secondary level.
Over 110 schools and institutions have been approved to offer this program to date, and others are being processed. Approximately 10,000 students who are exiting grade 11 are targeted to be part of this intervention.
The Education Ministry's recently established Math Consortium was set to have its first meeting today. The consortium, which represents a mix of all critical stakeholders, was set up to help government determine a way forward for improving Jamaican students' performance in mathematics. The announcement came in the wake of a 14% drop in students' passes in this year's CSET math results. Minister Ruel Reid says a raft of strategies will be rolled out during the year as the ministry takes a proactive approach to helping students.
Ask our team to collect data from our high schools on the performance of these students at the end of the school year. So we'd like the data for the students moving to grade 10 and 11. So we are very clear as to exactly what we are doing, where they are in terms of the spectrum, so we can have more targeted intervention across each school.
Government is delivering on its commitment to increase the mobility of the police force by repairing 100 damaged police vehicles under Operation Quick Fix. At an official handing over ceremony yesterday, National Security Minister Robert Montego announced that 20 of the vehicles have been repaired and released to various police divisions across the country. The work, which is being done at the JCF's Transport and Repairs Division, is also supported by private garages with $50 million in funding from the Tourism Enhancement Fund.
It is cheaper, in my view, to get the vehicles out rather than have them parked here. The TNRs also, they have in effect a maintenance program, preventative maintenance program, where vehicles are now required to come in, whether here or in the contracted garages in Western and Northern Jamaica, on a cycle for maintenance.
Minister Montego says an additional 14 vehicles should be ready for deployment in short order, while the procurement process for about 260 pre-owned vehicles is still on track. The Ministry of Justice is looking to recruit more than 6,000 persons to serve as Justices of the Peace, JPs. In a statement from the Justice Ministry, he says there is need for more JPs to help bring social stability, civility, and ultimately economic growth to Jamaica. But the minister is warning JPs to ensure that persons whom they recommend for the post are of good repute, as a program will be implemented to decommission JPs who act inappropriately. If you are interested, visit the Ministry of Justice's website at moj.gov.jm or call them at 906-4923-31. Audrey Marks has been appointed as Jamaica's new ambassador-designate to the United States and permanent representative-designate to the Organization of American States, OAS. The confirmation comes in a statement from Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith. Expressing confidence in Ambassador Marks' capabilities, Minister Johnson-Smith says she brings a wealth of experience in diplomacy, business, and philanthropy to the post. Ambassador Marks, who has had an active career in the private sector as the founder and the chairman of Paymaster Jamaica, previously served a 2-year stint as Jamaica's ambassador to the U.S. in 2010. The St. Mary native will assume her duties in the coming weeks. And finally, the selection process for the 129 applicants to the Jamaica House Fellowship Program is to be completed by mid-October. Chief Technical Director in the Office of the Prime Minister, Jacqueline Lynch Stewart, says the selection process was extended due to the overwhelming response. 76 females and 53 males have applied for the program, which is exclusively for Jamaican citizens. 14 Jamaicans living overseas have also applied. Successful applicants will be empowered to make greater contributions and leadership from being involved in a wide range of high-impact government projects. Applications for the Jamaica House Fellowship opened on June 20 and closed on August 2. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.